Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Good day to everyone. Maayong adlaw sa tanan. We are going to continue the topic that I did last time about 5 senses in Bisayan. Sa Tagalog, may pagka-pareho o parehas ang salita ng Bisaya. In Tagalog, there's a little bit of similarities in Bisaya. Now, the 5 senses in Bisaya, let's start in Bisaya to English. In 5 senses. How to say it. Eyes, mata. Nose, ilong. Ears, dalunggan. Mouth, ngabil or baba, ngabil o baba. Kamot, 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 mga kamot. So, let's sum it up or let's summarize all. English, Bisaya, Bisaya to English. Eyes, mata, nose, ilong, baba, ngabil, lip, dalunggan, ears, kamot, 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 mga kamot. A, ba, ka, da, i, ga, ha, i, la, ma, na, nga, u, pa, ra, sa, ta, u, wa, ya. Sa susunod muli, pag-uusapan natin ang 5 senses ng wikang Ilocano o dialect. Until next time, we're going to continue the 5 senses in Ilocano dialect. Philippine Languages School Online currently offer Tagalog, Bisaya, and Ilocano. You can email and you can go to Facebook Scheduler. Daghang salamat in Bisaya.